The sofa is the centerpiece of your living space. Crafted with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail, it offers the perfect blend of softness and support. Its sleek silhouette, refined stitching, and luxurious texture exude understated elegance, making it the ideal spot for relaxation or entertaining. Each piece in your living room tells a story of elegance and sophistication. Together, they create a space that reflects your refined taste, where every detail enhances the beauty of your home. Functional yet beautiful, light luxury storage pieces blend seamlessly into the space. Their minimalist designs and high-quality finishes keep your living room organized without compromising on style. From a sophisticated coffee table to elegant side tables, every piece is designed to complement the sofa while maintaining harmony in the room. Clean lines, premium materials like marble and polished metal, and thoughtful craftsmanship bring a modern yet timeless charm to the overall aesthetic.